Transform your woodwork with these material finishes. There are several types of material finishes that can be used for woodwork, and here are some of them. Acrylic finishes are a type of water-based finish that can give woodwork a high gloss or matte appearance. They are durable and resistant to scratches and stains. Alabaster sheet is a type of translucent material that can be used as a decorative veneer for woodwork. It has a unique texture and can be backlit for a dramatic effect. 3D laminate, also known as thermofoil, is a type of decorative film that is heat molded onto woodwork to create a seamless and durable finish. It comes in a variety of colors and patterns and is easy to clean and maintain. Other types of material finishes for woodwork include laminate, Yuko paint, charcoal highlighters, lacquered glass. Each has its own unique properties and can be used to achieve different looks and levels of protection for the wood. Please subscribe and follow for more such videos.